Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cactus. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's begin by drawing a pot for our cactus. You can draw either a square or a rectangle for the pot. Then draw a thinner but longer rectangle on top of our first shape. Next, draw a large rectangle coming out of the pot. After this, draw a curved line coming out of the left and right side of the rectangle. Now we can move on to our pen to draw in our outlines and finer details. Begin at this point, draw up and over and down the other side of our rectangle. Then, using our curved lines as a central guideline, mark around them, creating a curve shape. Then back down to reconnect to our cactus. Repeat this on the other side. Let's move on to our pot, and we can now draw over our thinner rectangle. Then, from the bottom corners, draw a slight diagonal line downwards and mirror this on the other corner. Now connect these lines together with a straight line. Time to add in some more details. Around our cactus, draw in tiny V's for its spikes. You can make your cactus look like a normal cactus, or you can bring it to life by adding in some eyes. Draw 2 circles of similar size and fill in a small part of the circle for its pupils. Leave a small section not coloured in for a highlight. Then we can add in a cute little smile. And that's our cactus drawing! We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.